G'day folks, here we are on the beautiful island of Tenerife in the Canary Islands. We're heading for a very unique destination today. This place is, well, somewhat different. This is our place of interest. It's located halfway up the island in a place called Arico. This abandoned town was to be Spain's solution to the disease of leprosy, built by the Franco Spanish government during the Second World War, and covering a square mile in area. All buildings are still standing, be it now an impressive target for graffiti artists. We could spend all day exploring the empty wards, the hospital, and the community buildings. Crikey, some buildings are a little spooky though. Picture yourself back in the 1930s. You had leprosy. This is where you would have been shipped off to. It's bleak, hot, and this is only spring, so summertime this would be a scorcher.
Scary.
Okay, this is starting to get spooky now. What's that? I think we should explore. Alright, hopefully nothing falls down. It's probably not safe. This is not safe. What am I doing? Probably going to fall through the roof. I'm going back down. This is danger, danger, danger. I think we're going to be told off.
I don't know.
I think we're getting told off. We got to evacuate. We got to leave.
Still packed out there. I'm going on.
That was close. We were hiding from the security. We were about to get kicked out. So, in June 1976, one of the largest multi-witness sightings of a UFO happened over this island. There was hundreds of civilians and military spotted these UFOs. How about that? So, if you're looking for UFOs, this island is the best place in the whole of Europe. We haven't seen any UFOs yet.